Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to assemble a two-wheel drive ball. The parts required for assembly are a chassis board, ultrasonic sensor holder, IR sensor holder, motor brackets, battery holder, two wheels, two motors, one Castor wheel and nut and bolts. So let's start the assembly. Now we are going to connect one motor to the chassis. So first of all, insert the brackets through the slots. Then place the DC motor in between the brackets. Then insert the bolts through the holes. And then fix it with the nuts. Tighten the nuts with the help of screwdriver. Similarly, we will connect another motor to the other side of the chassis. Now attach the wheels to the motor shaft. Now we have to connect a Castor wheel to the chassis. So first of all, insert 3 bolts through these 3 holes. Then fix these bolts with the help of nut. Tighten the nut and bolt with the help of a screwdriver. Now insert another nut in each bolt. Now insert the Castor wheel through the bolts. And then fix the Castor wheel with the help of the nuts. Now we have to connect an IR sensor bracket. So connect the two parts of the IR sensor bracket with each other as shown. And fix these two parts with the help of nut and bolt. After connecting these two parts together, now we are going to attach it to the chassis. So align the holes of the chassis with the part and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Similarly, connect the another sensor bracket to the chassis. Fix the nut and bolt with the help of screwdriver. You can also connect the IR sensor brackets in these 3 slots in front of the chassis. The advantage of connecting the IR sensor bracket over here is you can adjust the position of your sensor according to your requirement. Place the IR sensor bracket at the position you want and then fix it with the help of screwdriver. Now we will see how to connect an ultrasonic sensor bracket to the chassis. So first of all, we have to attach the 2 parts of the ultrasonic sensor bracket with each other as shown, and then fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Now attach the bracket to the chassis and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Tight the nut and bolt with the help of a screwdriver. If you want to place the battery on the chassis, you can make use of this battery holder. Fix the battery on the chassis with the help of a battery holder and nut and bolts. And the assembly of 2WD is ready. This bracket is for ultrasonic sensor and these 2 brackets are for IR sensor. Thank you.